So today we'll be discussing about agency transactions. First we have to install it. To do that, so on the platform on the agency level, you can find for the app marketplace here in the navigation bar and search for agency transactions. Here it is. You have to install it first. Allow and install. It is installed right now. Now moving back towards the agency level, it is loading at the moment. So the next step will be moving forward towards the level of marketplace on which we have to get it connected to our sub accounts or even the whole agency to see the transactions and all the stuff going in behind that is the app does. Here we are on the level of marketplace. As you can see on the navigation bar, you can find it here and just search for transactions, maybe. Yeah, here it is. You have to open the app. It is loading at the moment. As you can see, what the app does is the total amount of transactions, the locations, the number of transactions, fare of transactions. These are the things you can monitor by yourself on the agency level. And to do that, so you have to connect it first. And here are the options of connecting it to the whole agency, or you can choose sub accounts as well. I can choose the agency at the moment. You can allow with the both of them and enable for future installations as well. Proceed. After doing so, you will be able to connect your app and get everything monitored by yourself here through agency transactions. This is the main purpose of agency transactions. As you can see, it is connected successfully now. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.